In this video, we will show you how to install Alpena's Britewhip LED along with Alpena's Install Kit Plus dual output harness. You will need the following tools for this installation. Protective eyewear must be used. Let's get started. Open the box to lay out your products and ensure you have all your parts. Attach the base of the whip to the second half by twisting the threads together gently, ensuring both halves are securely attached. Mount the unit to the desired mounting location. Place the unit flush with the surface, adding the lock washer and threading the mounting bolt on the other side of the mounting area. Tighten with a wrench. Based on where you mount the Britewhip, you may need to extend your wires. If so, you will need 18 to 22 gauge extension wires, 2 male and female crimp connectors, and a set of crimpers with wire stripping capabilities. Measure the length and cut. Find your positive and negative ends of the Britewhip power wires and extension wires. Grab 2 female crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the Britewhip LED power wires. Now grab 2 male crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the extension wires. Grab your Install Kit Plus and prepare for crimping. Find your positive and negative wires of each harness output. Grab 2 female crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of the extension wires. Now grab 2 male crimp connectors and crimp to the positive and negative wires of 1 Install Kit Plus harness output. Connect your Britewhip LED's crimp connectors to the harness connectors. Warning: if a second light is not connected, the red and black wires from the harness must be isolated from each other and protected against contacting any metal surface. Disconnect the negative terminal or ground connection, followed by the positive terminal. Be sure to avoid cross-terminal connecting with your tool to avoid short-circuiting. From the Install Kit Plus, grab your positive terminal and mount to the battery's positive terminal. Now grab your negative terminal and mount to the ground connection. Tighten to secure connection. While we're here, grab the Install Kit Plus switch and test your lights. Looks like we're good. Grab the wireless remote. The Britewhip LED can be operated with or without the vehicle running. Press power for on and off. Press brightness for brightness level. Press mode for constant light or strobing. Press cycle to cycle through colors or pause on a color. You also have preset color options on the upper pad for quicker options. Your accessory light is now connected.